Have you earned rewards with Klarna and want to know how to spend them? In this video, I'll break down Klarna's rewards system and how to redeem your credits. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna occasionally runs rewards programs where you can earn credits for activities like referring friends or making purchases. First, you need to check if you have any available rewards. Open the Klarna app and go to your account or wallet section. Look for a tab called Rewards, Vouchers, or Credits. If you have a reward, it will usually be applied automatically at checkout when you shop with Klarna. The discount should be visible on the final review screen before you confirm your purchase. Some rewards are specific to certain retailers, so make sure you're shopping at the right store to use your credit. A crucial pro tip: always read the terms. Rewards and credits often have an expiration date. Make a note of when yours expires so you don't miss out on your hard-earned savings. And just like that, you're turning your engagement into real savings. Using Klarna Credit Rewards is a great way to get a little extra back. How did you earn your Klarna rewards? Was it from a referral, a welcome bonus, or something else? Tell us. For more savings, watch our next video on how to find Klarna cashback offers. Thanks for watching.